You can still get creative with sound design is uh, by using the actual effects. There's some interesting things there. If you look at SDE002, so if you play that, if you listen to it, it is actually that is when I put the microphone or my microphone right on the downspout when it was raining. So it sounds very, very different than what you hear in real life, because what's going on is the microphone is actually vibrating against the metal, which creates some really, really cool sound effects. So I'm going to drag this. This is a 10-second clip. I'm going to drag this onto my timeline. And so now I want to go to effects. And there's a million different audio effects in there. And I encourage you to experiment with some of these. So a lot of these effects are ones that you'll see in Adobe Audition. This is just one, AU pitch. So put that on to this particular clip. And then you'll go to effect control. So these are where you would modify the effects, just like we would with the video filters and transitions and such. And as you can see, there's the effect right there. And you'll open up the individual parameters. And as you can see, there's ways that you can, all these different parameters that you can change. So I encourage you to play with some of this, but let's just play just with a basic pitch and see what happens when you jack it up, what it sounds like. So that sounds one way. And what happens when you pull it down, that again has that wild sort of sound to it. So play around with, there's different types of effects that could be useful for you.